I made the best Tadka Daal Chawal. Chawal. Me. I made it.
Check now.
Good morning. So this is just another morning vlog. So I'm just getting my caffeine in this morning. I got to enjoy some quiet time, alone time before starting my crazy day. This biscuit is everything. You can get it as, I think it's called Shell Garage and Epping. I don't know if, yeah, it is Shell Garage and Epping. No, or is it Engine? I don't know, but it's a garage there in Epping. And it's like $12.99. I like to dip my stuff, so fast forward if this makes you cringe. Yum. So I decided to surprise my husband with some Tadka Daal. Tadka Daal. Basically like basic dal from my perspective, but with the oil and chili type of thingy, dhania, and I don't know what stuff that you fry last and you just put it on top like a whole oil vibe. Like, so yeah, I don't have that orange dal that I'm supposed to have. I don't know if I can use this one, but I'm going to use it anyway because it's all gonna cook and all gonna become mushy. It's just like, yeah. Now you add water to the top, let it rise. I don't even think I need water for these because usually the oily dal. Anyway, at least I'm eager to learn. Alhamdulillah. So I don't even know if you're supposed to do this with this dal. I don't know if everybody does this. So please don't laugh if everybody do this and it's like, who do this girl think she is? But you put like your amount of dal that you're gonna use and then you put water in and then you just let it stand for a while. So since I'm gonna like do my hair right now, I decided I'm gonna do that with the dal. When I'm done, I'm gonna get this into action. The growth, loving the growth. It's finally looking like something. Time to get dressed and then cook.
Yummy!
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
The dog looks kind of without salt.
You want salt?
Mommy, you know it's good with salt that you didn't just before.
He wants salt on his orange. Wow. There you go.
Chicken.
This is my paste that I'm going to be making for my Tadka Daal. This is something different actually. I don't usually do it this way, but I'm actually following a video that I saw on TikTok, so can't wait to find out how this tastes. Got to add 2 cups of water, so I'm doing it because it needs to be a paste. Put in the dal. I put it on top. I've done it this way before, and I think a little bit of water. I hope that this comes out nice. I've added my spice. I don't usually do this, and then now it has to cook, and then I'm going to boil my rice. So while that shimmers, I am going to hang out some washing and do a next load. All baby stuff. I'm asking him.
And then I want to watch.
You want to watch? Why do you want to watch?
Cook and then I want to play games.
What? Why do you want to play games?
Because games is good.
Why is games good?
Because I want to.
But you don't help with your chores with your brother. I don't see you doing anything around the house.
Yeah.
So why do you deserve a phone at the age of 4?
I want the phone.
But you can't want stuff. You must work for stuff. You're a man. Whatever you want, you must work.
No,
Baby,
that's
starting
the
with.
plant.
No, you need to throw it in the plants.
in my plants.
On the food. Need to add some more water. Looking good. About to prep to boil my rice. So it's 1 sliced onion, 2 to 3 chilies. I only added 2 and I cut it in half. And then 1 tablespoon of cumin, which we call jira, spice, which is this, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, which I don't have. And then I'm going to, when this is nicely fried, I'm going to add 2 cups of water and 1 cup of milk. I've never boiled my rice in milk. Apparently something to do in the bougie Indian community, so I'm gonna try that. And I just hope this meal blows my husband's mind away. Nervous about this, so hope everything goes well. So I'm gonna boil my rice in this brand, but I'm using basmati rice. Time to make my tadka. Let me just see if I have everything. Tadka, 1 or 2 chili, ginger, garlic, jira. I don't have spinach. I never knew that you needed spinach because I've made this before, but I'm making it a different way. So I'm implementing dhania, paprika, and I can't believe I have methi. I can't believe I'm trying out something that is super foreign and I have it. I don't know if it makes sense. It's just I'm so excited that I actually have something that I don't really know what it is, because I use this as a herb. It's not even a herb. It don't even have flavor, but it's gonna work for the tadka. So now I need a half cup of oil to start this. Oh my gosh, this is a lot. Oh, I can't do the whole cup. Oh, I can't do that in my life. This needs to be really hot for me to start. So the reason why I'm doing this, I usually always cook, but I always try to cook something that my husband will really like a Indian dish. And it's hard to cook for a man that can cook. I'm gonna be honest. It's hard to impress a man that can cook. So I like the challenge though, because I always believe I can make something better. Like, just teach me and I'll make it your way for two times, and then I'll just make it better afterwards. Because I'm just gonna taste the oil. Woo! Okay. Okay, 1, 2. No, I was just gonna smell like this. So I'm gonna give you a review of my own food, and I'm gonna be brutally honest. It's giving. I can't even eat this with a spoon. It's so good for me. It don't taste like I cooked it. Yo, it's giving mom, it's giving wife, it's giving 60-year-old wife vibes. It's giving. I cooked this wholesome meal for you because I love you. The garlic. I love garlic. Alhamdulillah.